G'day guys, and welcome to another episode of Daniel's Camper. We have some jobs to do. Wiring in this car has been a massive challenge. So what I've been doing to get it to start reliably is actually running jumper cables, and that's how she's connected to the starter motor and like the engine itself. So that's not a good thing. See, but at least she starts. I'm going to try get some wood vinyl or like contact to cover up this because the seats look kind of bad. So I bought some of this, what is it? PVC self-adhesive film. So that's gonna make this look like this, which is better than this, because it's this. First, I want to make a little handle, because when you lift this up, there's nowhere really you can grab it. It's actually pretty heavy, this lid, so to let it go, you kind of have to like drop it, and that's bad for like all the hinges and everything. I'm going to cut a little hole, kind of just like a little handle shape kind of thing, so that can be a place where we lift it. Now all three are done, so I've got one here, one over there, and another one here, which is great. But yeah, on a whole, the interior is really strong, like, besides the table. But, for the most part, the interior is really strong, but it doesn't look strong, and it looks tacky, and it looks bad, and it's dirty, and it's, yeah, so it's not great. So I bought this stuff so I can make it look better. So I've just given these panels a little bit of a wipe down with just a cloth and just some water as well, and then I'm going to do a bit of wrapping. I'm going to call that a success. I reckon that's going to look really good once like all these edges are done. I've now applied all of the vinyl and or contact, whatever it is, and this is how it's looking. So I'm pretty happy. We are going to be doing some battery terminals and cleaning up the ignition system, because what's been happening is I've been directly connecting it with jumper cables to get it to start. To increase the strength of the connection between the terminal and the wire, I'm going to crimp down the terminal onto the wire, and then I'm also going to use my soldering iron to solder the wire and the terminal together. So I've now covered the terminals that were exposed with this electrical tape, and this is just for the positive terminal so far. I then connected the terminals together with a nut and bolt and some washers as well, clamping them down together. Now that everything is properly protected and connected to the terminals, I can place the battery and connect it all up and then test start it. Now the battery's back in and we should be able to now start the van. There we go. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, go back on this playlist and watch the rest of my camper videos, see how we got to this point. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.